Question 5, we've got to draw these graphs. So the first one we're trying to do is a 3x add 2 graph. You should know that a 3x add 2 graph is a straight line going through the value 2 here. But it's more than that, because actually we've been told that x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So we can't have this bit down here. It's or equal to, so I'm going to put a circle on the end there that's open. And it's going to go off in that direction evermore. So my graph's going to look something like that. The range of this, so what answers are we getting? The range is that f of x will be greater than or equal to 2. We can have a 2 and we can have everything above that. We can't have any answers down there. Is it a 1-to-1 or a many-to-1? Yes, it's a 1-to-1 as usual because it's just a straight line. Part B. We're looking at x squared take away 5. You should know an x squared graph is the U-shaped graph. X squared take away 5 would bring it down to here. So the graph's going to look something like this. That part down there being -5. But it says that, again, x has got to be greater than or equal to 2. So 2 is up here, isn't it? There's a 2, so I don't want any of that. Get rid of all of that. Now, it doesn't look really curved enough, but it should do. That should be a bit curvy, that bit there. Let's have a think. If you put a 2 in there, 2 squared add 5 is 9. So if that's a 2, that's a 9. And that's telling me that f of x is going to be greater than or equal to 9. And yes, again, it is another 1-to-1. I'm going to do one last one here. We're doing 2 sine x from 0 to 180. So sine x goes up and then down again from 0 to 180. Of course, it then goes down to 360, continues up to there. And this sine x graph would have the highest point there at 1. Because it's a 2 sine x, the highest point there is at 2. So I'm going to put circles on the end of both of them as well, filled in, because it says from 0 to 180 and they're included. The range of the graph then, what answers could we get? We can get anything from 0 up to 2. We certainly couldn't get any answers at 3 or 4 or anything like that. And this time it's not a 1-to-1, but it's a many-to-1. Each x value has still only got the one answer, but that answer could have come from many places. So we've got a many-to-1 function there.